Hi guys, and welcome to Card Maker with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 5x7 Hexagon Bandstand card. This looks like a baby. It's so amazing. This came as a special request from one of my followers. They asked if I could share the measurements to this, and I thought instead of just giving them the measurements, I can make one for a friend of mine, and I think she would love the size actually. Let's make it. Hi guys, this is everything you need to make your card, and let's get started. We're going to score a base card. We're scoring the 5x7 piece at 1 1/4 and 3 3/4, and we have two pieces which are 6 1/8 by 1 1/2. I'm going to score them together at half, 1 3/4, 4 3/8, and 5 5/8. Fold and burnish on your score lines. And as usual, we're going to layer this card before we actually put it together, just as the last card. This goes like this, and this goes like this. I'm using classic Christmas colors for this card, lots of reds, because I think the person who I'm giving this card to loves red. All of the dimensions and measurements are in the description box. I can also go through them with you really quickly now. The layers for the front and back here are 2 3/8 by 6 7/8. That's for these two pieces. The top layers for both of them are 2 1/4 by 6 3/4. Four pieces for the inside and outside here are 1 1/8 by 6 7/8, and the upper layers are 1 by 6 3/4. On these pieces, the two layers for the top and bottom are 2 3/8 by 1 3/8, and your layers are 2 1/4 by 1 1/4. And for these four, it's 1 1/8 by 1 3/8, and these four for these are 1 by 1 1/4. I'm going to add all the layers right now. Now that I've layered everything, I'm going to stick everything to the card now. We're going to add the front to the back now, like so. It looks really beautiful. Let's layer the back now. Just like before, we're going to slip our acetate in, sticky side up, line it up with the designer series paper at the bottom because it's the same size, rest it down and just press this, and I'll automatically pick it up. You know I don't like to see this, so I'm going to put a layer inside of here and one at the bottom. Much better. this shows you a really good comparison between a 5x7 and a A2 card. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this. I never make this size card. It is so huge. But I like it. It takes up some more space, man. It's nice. So I hope you enjoy it. And I hope you make one. The person you requested, I can't remember the name of the person. I'll put it in the description box. Thanks for your request, and I hope you enjoy the card. If you like this video, be sure to give it an actual thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends.